Okay, first thing, on your leadership sheets, I need you to get out of 5 out of there. So if you got 5 out of 5, just put 5. If you got a 4.36 out of 5, put a 4.36 and just leave it. Okay, there we got that. Okay, in your teams today, I need 3 microscopes for your team. First team done, you're going to get an added bonus to this. So your scores will be different by team now. I need isotonic, hypertonic, hypotonic, labeled in a microscope by your teams for a bonus of 10 points in your grade by team. On your root or onion, on your mark, get set, go. Go, grab your microscopes.
Okay.
Where do you want us to set up? Right here?
Okay, Kennedy's team, we're set up right here.
We have 3.
Okay, so we don't put into this. Okay, guys, let's look along with this actually. Where's our team?
First problem, where's our team? Second problem, who's on our team?
Here, I'll let you go. I'll make the Here, yeah, we already have it. Here, Vinny, take one. And then Lauren, here, take one. And make the
I'll get salt water because that's
Can I get, here, who's it?
And then you also get the still water.
Oh, yeah, this one.
I'll just give her a little water.
Excuse me. Yeah, okay, I don't think we need the cover slips. You want cover slips on all of them?
What did your lab say yesterday?
Okay, go off that then.
Okay, so which one's?
Okay, this is one, that's salt water. We need more salt water.
I'll get the one.
Okay, we need this one with salt water and this one.
Okay, yeah, I got the salt water. So normal.
Okay.
So, is the salt water
Still
go
water.
outside?
Okay, that's salt.
Wait, no, this is salt.
That's salt, this is still water.
Oh,
Yeah, this is salt.
Yeah.
So this is hypertonic. It's
You
in
may
the
want to
side.
take some beakers with you.
No, on the left.
Yeah.
No, it has to be equilibrium.
Is
So we have to
it the still
Yeah, but
size?
how do you figure that out?
Is it not?
I'll take it. Okay, get on the
So,
Does that work? I don't know if that works. I've never changed this one.
Sure.
Does this work? Okay, so if we peel back a layer or whatever, does this like...
Yeah, it needs to be red. It needs to be red.
I don't know, so one
Wait, does it need to be red?
I don't have anything on mine.
Once you visually all agree that it is isotonic, hypertonic, hypotonic, let me know and I will check and we will declare
Do you guys got all of them, or do you still need another one? Hey, Maddie.
Yeah.
Yeah, take off that layer here.
Yeah, he said label.
I'll get some, I have some label.
Okay, the first one right here is still regular salt.
Yeah, I got it. Northeast one. Oh. Wait, that one would work?
Yeah. Oh,
No, no, we could just use this one because this one's a lot thinner than the one we figured last time.
here you
Well,
go.
I know, but if we can get like just all certain pieces, like, I just feel that.
Yeah, that's what I did. I just took off the skin.
Not such a big difference. It's a couple hours. Hopefully that works.
I got it. Very well done.
You guys got it?
The white computer.
Yeah, I got this one like set up like
All of your teammates need to verify that they agree before you call me over. Must agree.
Hey, Kennedy, there's the picture.
Is that just still okay?
Here, guys, there's a picture up right there. Also, if you want to look at it. You got it?
This one doesn't have water, that one has salt water, this one. No, I'm just like the salt one. The salt one. This is the salt one. So it takes away water from the applicant.
Zoomed in.
Okay, you guys
Oh, we
got
have
it?
it.
I agree. Hey, I feel like Zoom later.
No, however you want to present it, it's fine. I will walk away from Florida.
Yeah, but, yeah, yeah.
Yes.
That's good.
This
Okay,
one's
guys,
ice
agree?
because it's in the middle, this one's taking away water from the inside of the cell because it's salt.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Right, yeah.
Okay,
We
we're
got
good.
it.
Yeah, we're good.
We got it.
We got it. No, we got it first. We got it first. Come on.
Raise your hand over there.
No.
We just switched over.
Hypertonic looks like what I have set up here.
Hyper is over.
Excuse me. I don't think hypertonic looks like that. How do you make it more hypertonic?
Five.
Yeah, see that works. I put this is hyper. Yeah, see, look.
He is right.
So were we right back?
So we should wait.
Were we right back? Or were we waiting?
Oh, that's we should play the waiting game for a little bit. For the summer.
Can you speed it up? How do you speed up? Any kind of.
Okay, hold on. I'll give her one.
Go.
Okay, guys, go do.
I got it. I got the result.
Talk about why you're doing that. Talk about why you're doing it. What to do with why? Are you sure? Are you
Should we put a
sure?
slide cover on that?
That might help.
Yeah.
Go grab a slide cover.
They're just gonna compress it.
Yeah. Here, I'll do this.
Do you want your hypo to do something also?
You want the water?
No, do
Oh, sorry,
I think that's hypertonic. I think the salt is
Because
hypertonic.
water is this.
I think
No,
it's
that's not how
yeah, the label wasn't wrong.
Good. So this is like surgery.
That's good.
We got it.
We got like,
Hold on,
We would definitely.
before I decide, please think about this as a team. Please talk does your isotonic actually look different than your hypotonic? If it does not, how can you make it?
It does?
I believe.
Like,
Yes,
I will say, I mean to correct myself.
I don't.
So he said isotonic.
You said that just make sure it looks different.
Yeah.
That one's the one I was
Yeah, they all look different. That one's like more close together just as it's
Yeah, I will
This
also
one's
note
further
that.
apart because
Please put the
one's
same
out.
objectives on all of
And
them.
then it's supposed to be the same objectives.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, no, we're good. We got all the 3 seconds. Ethan's like, guys.
What?
Yeah, that's what I said. They have done it, guys.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Guys!
That was great.
Their hypotonic is better than yours.
See, I told you guys.
Your isotonic is not as good as theirs.
It evens out.
And that's better. Okay, listen. I want you to leave these out. You will notice, and I want you to take some time. Please go and add distilled water. Please go and add distilled water to your hypotonic once in a while. You'll notice that those vacuoles will seem like they're just pushing out. And then your isotonic will start shrinking a little bit. Okay? They should be less pressurized. Okay, the osmotic pressure should be less. Your hypertonic, what's happening to them? The vacuoles are shrinking. Okay? So I will add 10 for your clan. Please clean up the grades. You'll get it back somewhere down the road. Leave these out. Do look at them. I think some of you just got this lab that you're supposed to do for an hour quicker. Okay? So, I also, if you get it wrong, you should get some feedback. Please use that feedback. I will stop you here in a little bit and we'll discuss what happens with the solute. Because you should be set with the water now. Something else happened with the solute depending on things. Okay? So, leave it out. Wipe that up. Thank you. Get on the lab. This should be done today. Team leaders, make sure everybody's grades fixed, and by the time you leave here, you should have grades for the diffusion through a membrane. I am here tomorrow. I say that, and some of you will hang out here all day. I'm here tomorrow if you want to hang. If you have nothing else to do. Finish your lab. If you're done with your lab, go start looking at organelles because something's coming. Something big is coming. Get your team done. Help your team get done.